Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Today we are going to be making some Damascus. This is the steel we're going to be using. 175, 15 and 20. So pretty standard combination for Damascus. What do you think you're doing? Get out of me workshop. And I've let them soak in some petrol just to degrease it, and the next step is to stack them up on alternate layers and weld them. Okay, so I have finished forging out the billet, and what I've done now is I have divided it up into 6 pieces, and I've stacked them in pairs of 2, and I'm going to forge each individually. After this, I'm going to restack all the billets together, and then I will cut it in half and do a sand mire with the 2 Damascus pieces on the outside. So we ended up using the steel to make a Japanese style chef knife. I think it turned out really well. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you on the next one.